Today, chicken menudo naman ang ating lulutuin. Ito ang mga ingredients na ating kailangan. Chicken breast, sausage, lemon, red bell pepper, potato, carrots, tomato sauce, soy sauce, onion, garlic, ground black pepper, chicken powder, and olive oil. Iset lang natin sa medium heat. Maglagay tayo ng 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Kasunod nito ang minced garlic. Ilagay din natin ang onion, chicken breast, ground black pepper, chicken powder, and lemon. Kasunod ang soy sauce, carrots, potato, and red bell pepper. Takpan hanggang maluto ang vegetables. Add sausage, tomato sauce, at i-cover natin for 5 minutes. Yan, luto na ang ating chicken menudo. Tara, kain na tayo!